National Weather Report coming to you straight from Vancouver, Canada. It's getting real wet out here, kids. Bucketing, I would say. Stay inside, you don't want to be caught out in this torrential downpour. We've also been seeing some thunder! Did you see it?
Do you mean lightning? Do you mean lightning?
See the lightning? Sorry. Did you? Oh my gosh! Did you see it though, or did the flash not make it show up? Did you see the lightning? Wow! The noise. The noise will get you excited, that's for sure. Ooh. And there she blows.
The storm of the season.
What?
Oh my gosh! Oh! Did you see that? Now we're gonna see if we hear it. Rumble, rumble, rumble. So it's not that close. It's not that close. Lightning.
Okay.
Whoa! Did you catch that?
I got it!
And there's the thunder! I'll tell you where it is, okay? I'll go right. Okay, or left.
Oh!
Right.
Yeah, it was over.
No, it was there, honey.
It was where?
It was there. It was there. It was there.
Pitter patter, pitter patter. It's wet. Wet.
Oh, it's very wet. It's very windy.
Look.
Oh yeah.
What's
That's
it like
some
down
rain.
there?
It's raining.
You can't see a shit on the phone, but it. Oh.
When I knocked my head.
Oh! Did you get it?
Nope.
Oh.
I did.
Oh!
Okay, it's going. It's going.
Okay,
Okay,
well,
go.
little science lesson from Chloe. So basically, a Greek god, he lives up in the sky. He's cooking up his lightning bolts whenever he kind of feels like emasculated or, extra, really gross man feelings. He'll just shoot him down, because men. And then, but otherwise, if you're talking the science route, then the clouds, when they're really rainy and stuff, there's all the neutrons and electrons. And then there's also condensation, when the cloud is so heavy, that's when it rains, because it's a gas, but when it gets it gets colder too, so it's melting from a gas to a liquid, and it's also really heavy, so it just has to kind of lose it.
And?
It's not how you video.
Oh!
I saw it over there. I saw the bolts, so it's over there.
Okay.
It's over there.
Okay.
But lightning, it's the cloud, and it has water in it. And then the electrons, in the word, the sense of the word, even you can hear it already. Electron, electric. You can hear that already there. So we know there's a correlation there. Some sort of tie.
Yeah.
Some sort of influence. It was over there that time.
It was over there.
All right. But yeah, as I was saying, you can already hear that tie there with the electron, electric. So that's what's happening
Cool.
with lightning.
Okay, there's some good thunder.
Oh, it was there.
You little bum.
We're gonna get it. We're gonna
Make
catch
sure you're
the
not in the
lightning.
trees. Make sure you're in the sky.
No, we're like scientists right now. We're doing observation and analysis.
Okay.
And
Well, it was there, and there, and there.
I'm aware. It's just a game of chance.
It is.
These poor
But
scientists.
the last ones were right there.
These poor scientists
They
are
were right over there.
just trying to catch a break. And that's us. We're the scientists. I wonder how lightning is.
Okay.
Zeus.
Okay. Well, the rain has slowed right down, so storm might have passed.
Don't say that.
I want the lightning strike.
Here it comes. Whoa! How did I know that? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my
That
god,
was
oh my
funny.
god. Catch you next time, Stormy. See ya later. Next time you're lightninging, we'll be here to record you as scientists.
That was quite the storm. We're all bundled up. We're okay. We're gonna go back inside and have some maybe hot chocolate, cozy up. Yeah, that was fun.
Glasses are all wet with raindrops.
Ooh, is that right?
Yeah.
I wasn't gonna laugh.